Hi, I'm Carly from Markquart Motors. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your vehicle to lock when you walk away with your key. Okay, so you go under Settings, Vehicle Settings, scroll down until you get to Remote Lock, Unlock, and Start Settings. Scroll down again and it's going to be called Passive Door Lock. You can turn it on or on with horn chirps. You can actually hear it lock when you're walking away. So once you step out with the key and close all the doors, you walk away. It takes about 7 to 10 seconds and then it's going to lock for you.